Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So it's been a week with the iPad Mini 6. I do want to answer this question first before I say anything else. This device did not come out this year. I've had a couple people ask about that. This device came out in 2021, so it's about to be 3 years old. Not this year's device. It's about to be 3 years old. Now, the other question about the warranty, yes, I still have a warranty on this device. Even though this is a 3-year-old device, this is still a new device originally from Apple. So I still get that 1-year warranty on this device. All right. So after 1 week, what are my thoughts? I really like this device. After 1 week of use, because this is replacing my Surface Duo that I was using as my personal assistant, my secondary device. I didn't really take photos with it or video. I did that all on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is my main phone that I use. And any photos and videos, I'll take it on the iPhone. And I use this primarily for photo editing with Lightroom, right? So these are some of the apps that I have here. I use it more for Lightroom. I use it more for the drones. I download from the DJI Pocket or the Osmo Action 2. Video editing I can do on here, but I don't do a lot of it. Lightroom, when I download footage from the drone, I can use Lightroom to create short videos, and then I can go straight to social media and load that up. And this is all the social media I have, and I keep all my social media on just this device only. None of it is on my iPhone. My iPad 12.9 inch, the Pro version, none of it is not on there. The new Mac I have, none of it. This is the only device because this I treat as a personal assistant. I'll do video calls on here. I'll answer text messages here with iMessage. I'll do all my reminders. This is just a way for me. It's a bigger screen, which is what I loved about the Microsoft Duo. I didn't love it had that split because you would lose some information. But having this has been great because whatever I do here, I can go to another device and it's already there. So any photos that I have, videos that I have, anything that I create like this, I can go right to my other devices. It's right there and I can pick up where I left off. I really love that about this device, and handoff works with this great as well. So sometimes I'll have something here, say like this photo, and say I want to put it on my Mac doing a video. I can just set this next to my Mac, move the cursor over, it'll come right here, drag and drop, put it right on my Mac, boom, I'm done. I really love that part about Apple and how seamless everything works together. Using this in combination with the pen has been great. And one of the biggest things that I've noticed the way I use it more like this in portrait, where the 12.9 iPad Pro, I use it more in landscape because it's more advertised and more set up to be a laptop with the Magic Keyboard and the pencil on top. Now I keep my pencil here, and I just picked up this case yesterday. I had a different case. It was more bulky. It was more for like travel. It wasn't this thin, light case that I have right here, where you can store your pen here at the bottom when you're not using it for travel and it's not charging, but you can stick it back on top here and it'll work just fine. And you can see it's back charging again. Now, getting used to this setup is a little different because every device I have except my Mac and my watch unlocks my Mac, getting used to using the fingerprint here, just tapping it and opening it up is different. The volume down here is different. On the iPad 12.9, when it's in this setting, the power button is here, but the volume buttons are up here, as those of you who have one know. But most of the time, I'm not using it in landscape. This, I'm using it like this most of the time in portrait mode, taking care of whatever it is, taking advantage of some of the features that it offers, from pulling up notes to making screenshots here, putting it up from this side. Like if you've had an iPad before, you pretty much know how all these little gimmicks and tricks and everything work. But I just like the fact too that I can work on something here, whether I'm trying to edit it in Lightroom or any of these other apps. Now, the LumaFusion and the Power Director, you know, when I set it up the system, all of this is just copying what was on my other iPad. But I occasionally will use LumaFusion to make a video for like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, right? And because it's Apple, anything that I put on here will show up on my other devices. So after 1 week of use, I'm really liking how this is working out so far. I'm able to do my FaceTime calls on here. I can respond back to iMessages where before with the Duo, I would always have to stop what I was doing, grab my phone, do whatever if I couldn't do it on the Apple Watch Ultra, right? Where now I can just do it all right here. I can respond to WhatsApp messages and everything else on the Apple Watch Ultra. So yeah, I mean, this system, the way I got it right now so far after a week of use, is working out very well for me. But all right, guys, hey, that's it for now. I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.